Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is my favorite check-in of the semester because as I pull up the syllabus or schedule, we get to submit our cover letter this semester. So all that you reviewed last week is going to be a lot of help for you to give an overview about your interest in a future job by submitting a cover letter. Also, we're going to work on our resume this week. So if you go back to week 2, and I apologize, this is going to look a little bit different since I'm in instructor view, but right in here is a sample cover letter and the perfect cover letter. What you want to do is click that link and use this document to craft your own cover letter. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, so if you have a different way you want to write it, that's totally fine. But make sure you craft a cover letter, and then when you have that cover letter ready, you're going to submit it into week 4 mini assignment cover letter. So be sure to do that by Sunday end of day. Other than that, we're going to review a resume, how to build a resume, all that kind of fun stuff this week. You do have a lecture 4, which is due, and then your week 4 review, of course, which is a reply on Wednesday at midnight or by Wednesday at midnight, and then respond to another student by Sunday. So your initial post due Wednesday at midnight, reply due Sunday. Sorry if I confused that a little bit. The terms got me there, but make sure you get that done. That's really, really important. So your week 4 review, and then your mini assignment, which is your cover letter submission. I think it's really interesting. I think it's going to be a lot of fun for you. Learning how to craft a resume is one of the most important skills when you're looking for a job, so this is really going to help you in the long run too. If you need any help though, please reach out. I'm happy to walk you through some things, help you in any way I can. There's always little tips and tricks that I can give because I've been doing this for a long time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Welcome to week 4, and I look forward to a great upcoming submission of your cover letter and reading your lecture question. Thanks so much.